my 1 Minute English. Today, we are going to talk about strong adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun. I've got 3 adjectives: sure, big, and funny. What are the strong adjectives of sure, big, and funny? Watch this.
Juliet, are you sure you locked the door?
I'm positive. I remember I pushed the button.
Juliet, do you have a big house?
It's massive. I have 6 bedrooms.
Did you enjoy the movie?
It was hilarious. Was that fun? So to recap, strong adjective you can use: positive, massive, and hilarious. This one you can add absolutely positive. And for massive you can also use really, really massive. And for hilarious you can also use absolutely hilarious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.